interest example. Find the interest for rupees 500 at the rate 10% per year for 3 years. Answer. Here principal amount given P is equal to 500 and time is given 3 years and rate of interest is 10%. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100 is the formula. P is 500 into time, T is 3 year, rate of interest R is 10% divided by 100. 20 gets cancelled. 5 into 3 into 10. 5 3s are 15, 15 10s are 150 rupees is our answer.